Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're bored of the same old background on your phone, changing the wallpaper is one of the easiest ways to refresh it. Let me show you how to do it step by step. So first, unlock your phone and long press on an empty area of the home screen. After a second, you'll see a few options pop up. Tap on Wallpaper or Wallpapers in Style, depending on what you see. Now, you can choose a wallpaper from the default wallpapers or tap on Gallery if you want to use your own photo. Once you select the image, adjust it to fit the screen and tap Set Wallpaper. Next, you'll be asked where you want to apply it. Choose home screen, lock screen, or both. Give it a moment, and yeah, your new wallpaper will be applied. And that's it. That's how you change wallpaper on Android. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick Android tips, and let me know in the comments what wallpaper you're using.